pimpin', say he out of jail. Say he beat the charge, crackers let him.
What's up YouTube? This is Sam, and today I'm going to do a bike check on my custom Subrosa. Starting off with the frame, I have a Subrosa Volicious frame right here with the badge on the front. The entire bike is custom painted. As you can see, it's yellow with these green splatters all over it. It's pretty sick. I like it. I don't know what type of headset I have. I got Colt Bob Marley stem. It's in Rasta colors. I love it. It's sick. I have, I believe, Sputnik bars. I'm not sure. If you know, let me know. I don't know what size they are, but they're freaking huge. I have UGP grips. They suck ass. I don't know what bar ends they are. I have Shadow Overtaker tires on both wheels. On my back wheel, I got an Odyssey Hazard light rim laced to a custom Odyssey Hazard hub. It's custom because this is a 9-tooth driver on a 48 spoke hub, and that's custom. That didn't come with it. I got Shadow one-piece seat with Shadow Rant seat clamp. I got my Lucky Charms right here. Lucky Charms. And I got another one right there. I have a BSD Forever sprocket and Hoffman cranks with titanium bolts. Random metal pedals. I have Shadow Ravager pedals, but I can't get them off my other cranks. So right now I'll just stick with these. I got a white KMC chain with a bootlegged ass link right there. I have, for the front wheel, a Shadow Ravager front hub, sealed, crappy rim, and Subrosa Pandora V1 forks. I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. That's my bike check. Oh yeah, and I have Shadow bottom brackets somewhere in there. And that's my bike check. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Oh yeah, one more thing. Shadow spokes, custom painted green and yellow. Yeah, that's about it.
I told him okay, I'll be there in 30 minutes. Hit the interstate, the Chevy on them 26.